Men of Reddit, your penis now makes an audible sound when ejaculating, any sound of your choosing. What's your choice? The old Windows, ta-da, sound. Just a sad, wet cough. This killed me. I'm guessing you weren't vaccinated? The seismic charge sound from Star Wars Attack of the Clones. Unexpected item in bagging area. Remove item before continuing. You two must be the same psychopaths in the other post making shit up for inconvenience stores. The theme that plays when you end a Super Mario level. U2.b. You the real MVP out here with all these links. That sound when Squidward walks. U2.b. That username and the sound being described. The THX sound. Try the new CWX theaters. It's THX cranked to 11. I watched Ford vs Ferrari and won by myself. You might as well be sitting at the racetrack. People usually don't come at the racetrack. You haven't met the right car enthusiast yet. Goofy falling off a ledge. Yahoo hoo 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 I. It's amazing how accurate some y'all are typing these out. M1 Garen ping. I hope you get more than 8 pumps in before ping. A car horn so I can Pavlov myself into having infinite orgasms in rush hour traffic. On the way into work too. Walking into work like an elephant just sneezed in your slacks. Edit, JFC your username. Siren is going off, horn blaring, and you're nutting all over a dude that's coding in the back of the ambulance. The obvious cover to that is to just get an elephant to ride to work. Now you got a dope-ass ride and hands-free orgasms. Owen Wilson's wow. Would it sound like an elongated whoa for the duration of the orgasm, or would it be a regular short wow but repeatedly like wow 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 wow? I want the second kind. I don't have a dick. But it like this. I'm close to agreeing with you, but I think it should be 3 or 4 wows close together for every pump. Wow 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 etc. until done. I'm imagining it inside of the vagina, just a muffled Owen Wilson wow, and that's made it 20 times better for me. Lego Yoda death noise. U2.b. I'm not sure 10 hours is enough of that sound. A Wilhelm scream. Wilhelm cream. A slide whistle. U2.b. Dragonborn leveling sound effect. Never should have come here. Sonic losing his coins for each main squirt. Ringsman. A party horn. I thought you meant this. So anyway, I started blasting. Grunt birthday party from Halo. So basically children cheering? You fool, I already hear that every time anyways. That fart sound from that last squirt of ketchup out the bottle. U2.b. Ew. The duck. Rodly terrifying. All those rubber ducks at once. That kills me every time. The link opens treasure chest sound from Ocarina of Time. U2.b. Pew. The damaged noises from Minecraft cause I'm definitely ruining someone's future. U2.b. Knee. From the Knights Who Say Knee in Monty Python's Quest for the Holy Grail. I imagine you'd keep the shrubbery nice and neat too? And afterwards, she can chop down the largest tree with a herring. The cha-ching noise from an old-timey cash register. U2.b. Ric Flair woo. Edit, so to whoever gave me silver, I'm not at all surprised my first award on here is a comment about coming. Cumshot shootin' strokin' and chokin' son of a gun. And I can't seem to keep these rubbers down. A triumphant Al Pacino hua. U2.B. The Star Wars blaster sound. U2.B. The AOL signing in sound edit. Wow, that's my first award. Thanks random hero smile. U2.B. You are a ducking superhero in this thread. Price is Right loser horn sound. Boom boom boom, bor. Nelson from The Simpsons laughing. U2.B. Hadouken. U2.B. Morgan Freeman saying and all was good again edit, gold cherry popped. Thanks. I can almost hear Morgan say it. Go Power Rangers. The epic guitar solo included. U2.B. The sound a spring door stop makes when you flick it. The GameCube intro. Robocops, thank you for your cooperation. U2.B. Never gonna give you up. On the off chance I get laid, the unlucky soul will get rickrolled. The sound of a crisply hit golf ball. The photon torpedo sound effect from Star Trek or maybe a Michael Jackson hee hee. U2.B. U2.B. The censor dolphin from SpongeBob. Edit, not censor. My wife and I were having sex while our toddler was napping. At the moment I came, I slipped and kicked out a leg, hitting one of the buttons on his sit-to-stand toy, activating a short flight of the Bumblebee-type trumpet riff. Went from ecstasy to crying laughing instantly. I don't know if it'd want that every time, but it'd definitely recommend it at least once. Wah. Like Waluigi. Fus Roda. The John Cena theme song. Hashtag ba da da da. Kool-Aid Man's oh ya. The sound a balloon makes when it's let go without tying the end. Well, if it's premature, I would go with Leroy Jenkins. The beep beep sound from the Roadrunner. Not a man, but I can just imagine the Roblox death sound. Jimmy Neutron, got a blast. Vuvuzela. Oh yeah. The 1-up sound in Super Mario. FF7 victory fanfare. That awooga. Sound car horns make in old cartoons. Ba dum TSS. One of those rubber chickens that screams after you squeeze it. Party favor horn. Angels singing hallelujah. Yoda laughing in Empire Strikes Back. The same sound Alderaan made when it got blown up, as if millions of voices suddenly cried out in terror, and were suddenly silenced. Sorry, little fellas. Freddie Mercury singing IU at Wembley Stadium. Windows 95 shutdown. Dun 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 dun. Inagata Davida. That ding the kitchen timer makes. Nokia ringtone. Halo theme song. Mario saying let's-a go. The sounds of the space bombs Jango Fett used against Obi-Wan in Attack of the Clones. Ladies. Ah. La Cucaracha. M1 Garen Ding. The IC message notification. Oh, U2.B. The Dukes of Hazzard. General Lee Horn. Navi saying hey, listen. From the Zelda series. THX boot up sound before movies. Flight of the Valkyries. I'm of two minds. On one hand, I kinda want a loud awoogo horn. Loud enough that it wakes the neighbors. On the other hand, some sort of dingswoosh level up sound would be cool too.